In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install AliExpress Shopping app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install AliExpress but you're unable, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Google Play Store, and once you land here, make sure first you log in with your Gmail before you search for your app. However, if you're searching while logged in but you are unable, then go to the profile icon here and then tap on it and scroll to settings. And under this, you should see we have quite a number of options: general network, network preferences, family, and about. Choose network preferences, and under this, look for app download preference. If you tap on this, now you should see we have quite a number of options here. Choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you are able to download or install apps via the current network you are connected to. To save, tap on OK. Go ahead and now try to install your app. So in most cases, this should be able to fix your issues. But should this not work, then head to the next method, and that is to look for Play Store. And for this, the problem might be with Play Store itself. Fix this, go ahead and long press on Play Store app without opening it, and you should see we have this option for app info. If you don't see it, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the data, and if I go to storage, you should see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So cache data are just small files that Google Play Store normally gathers each and every time you use this Play Store to download apps to enhance user experience. Accumulation of these files might be causing the problem, and to fix this, go to clear data and then clear cache and finally OK. And once you're done, now go ahead and open Play Store again, and this time around look for the app. So I'll search for AliExpress, and here it is. And finally, now if I tap on it, I'll try to install it, and this should have fixed the problem. And as you can see, I'm able to install the app. So that's how you can fix can't install AliExpress Shopping app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.